Okay, so far I've already cut off the bottom seams. If something goes wrong, I'm gonna use that for a waistband. So see here you have like 3 different partings. I'm probably going to make a fake pleat. So there are only like 3 real pleats with these in the middle. Thankfully the skirt is big enough, so I can just size up the middle and find this line here, and I'm gonna make a pleat right there. I think that's a good plan. I've made 2 so far, and I'm to go on to the 3rd and the 4th pleat. Now, I didn't actually explain what you were supposed to do with the line, so I was kind of confused how to make the pleat, but now I kind of have a vision. So what you want to do, you see the line here, you're going to pinch this and this. What you want to sew is the inside of it. You see that? And if we flip it around, but this, the inside of the pinch, is what you want to sew. Yeah, so if you sew in that, it's going to create a line here, exactly like this. Yeah. It's going to be way neater if you use a sewing machine, but I've tried with a hand stitch and it looks fine. Just not as, professional as this one. I've moved to the bed and I've laid out the skirt in front of me. It's almost done, but the thing is, I have to work with the hemline, a new hemline, because I want this to be like a mini skirt. I have to hand sew this. Wait, let me just, that on the new skirt, or at least a simpler version of this. That way it's not going to come off like distressed and this weird edge thing. That means I have to measure my leg, like from my waist to my thigh, or how long I want the skirt to be, and then I will measure the bottom part. So every single pleat and every single opening and crease will have the same amount of foldage. What? It's almost midnight. This is very funny. I don't understand what's going on. I watched like a couple of tutorials explaining what to do. Alright, let's see. Let's really see, alright? お前はもう死んでいる。 I look so weird with this filter, but